Welcome back to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this paleta de piña. Let's get started. We're gonna start peeling this pineapple like so. Look at my mom, this is her first video. She's doing a great job. I love you, Mom. Let us continue peeling this pineapple. Cut, 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 cut. Now let's chop off the bottom end. I'm gonna peel a little bit more up here, just a little bit. Alright, now that that's done, let's get our chiles en polvo. Here we have specifically chiles en polvo, that's what it's called. The next one's called chile suave, and this one's my favorite. We're gonna pour a little bit more on top of the plate. The next one is the authentic Miguelito. This one's kind of sweet and spicy. Let's pour a little bit on top. Now we're gonna mix it. This is our Chamoy Tamarindo dip that we made ourselves. We will have a recipe for this one next week. Hopefully, primero Dios. Go ahead and cover all the pineapple in the dip. Don't be afraid to be generous with it. Make sure you get all sides. It should end up looking something like this. It's a little sloppy, but it's delicious. Now we're gonna sit it on top of the chile en polvo that we prepared earlier. The main part is to get the whole pineapple covered in this polvo.
Before we continue, I want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please like and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, I'm back. Oh, let's go ahead and cover it with the polvo. Oh no. Let's go ahead and cover it all with the polvo. Yummy, this looks so good. Keep putting polvo on it until the whole pineapple's covered. Alright, I was trying to use all the polvo that we had in the plate, but I'm gonna have to pour more from the other one. And this is how it should look. We're making paletas out of this, so we're gonna cut them up into slices. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use these sticks as the handle of the paleta. I want all my paleta covered with this chamoy dip. All sides included. Next, we're gonna pour some more chile onto that. Make sure to cover it all with your favorite chile polvo. And this is how it should turn out. That looks beautiful. Alright, now my mom's gonna take the taste. Alright, now my mom's gonna take the taste test. I want some. Well guys, this is the end of the show and this is how it should look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like and what you think of. Please don't forget to leave a like and tell me what you think in the comments. See you next time. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, please and thank you.